This is your Georgia chiropractor, Dr. Jason Dotson. And I'm here now with my family. I got Noah, my son, and my wife, Jennifer. And being that we've been at the seminar for the last 3 days, we're learning the great technique, the ring dinger, in Johnson biophysics. We know that it's safe, it's effective. We've seen it help many patients. And of course, if it wasn't safe, I certainly wouldn't do it to my family. I'm gonna do the ring dinger to them now. We'll start with Noah. Come on over here, Noah. Take a seat. Let me have you lay back. What we're doing, let's get one.
Yep.
Trying to get those legs parallel to the ground.
See if you can adjust those crocs off of it.
Move this in. Find the right rings. Yeah, this has been a great seminar. A wonderful week. Has to be tight.
Yep. That's always
Yeah.
Yep.
Bring that up a little bit.
Can't get out of it now.
Yeah, you're in there today.
And again, this is a wonderful technique. Adjust the entire spine on the y-axis.
How far down do you feel that one?
Feel that
now?
one all the way down?
That was good. That was
Okay.
Good. There you go.
I'm learning the new
All aspects.
yeah,
There
advanced
he is.
equipment here. Come on up. Let
And,
me have you
and he
roll to your
learned
side.
yesterday that we have to bolt the table down on the into
right.
the concrete floor for stability.
Alright.
And so again, I'm your Georgia chiropractor, Dr. Jason Dotson, and the only Georgia ring dinger chiropractor.
Yep.
And come visit me. I'm in Dalton, Georgia, at Dotson Chiropractic. Call us at 706-259-5599, or visit us at the website, which is dotsonchiropractic.com. That's spelled D-O-T-S-O-N. Thank you. We'll see you soon.